Hi guys, so I actually got that fidget packet early, so this is what today's going to be about, unboxing the fidget packet. I'm really glad that I did this here because today I was actually kind of hopeless on what to do. But do you like my sweatshirt? I don't know if you can see it. It's from my favorite YouTuber. Okay, so the first thing, there's actually a few of these like ring things. I don't know what they're called. They're very stylish. I'll wear it on like my pinky for like 10 minutes. Okay, here we have this. I don't know like any of these are called. I'm gonna be guessing. I know what one of the things are called, but like not a lot. There's that. I actually can try to make a. There you go. My heart. We're already like 10 minutes in and I only got 13 things. Next we have this Pop-It. It's rainbow. Ugh. Okay. Next we have pea poppers. Nope, it's the wrong way. One has a little face on it. The others are just. Oh no, this one's kind of broken already. I just got it today. And then the others are just normal. Okay. Next, we have this little guy. It's another cute little face that I'm holding the incorrect way. Look, these ones are really harder to get out. Next, we have. It's a replica of this guy. Just they're different shapes. I need another one so I can like complete a gigantic heart, and I don't think there's another one in this package. I actually got this last night. It was so hard not to open all of these. Next we have this. Nope, I'm doing it. Next we have, I'm pretty sure it's like bicycle chains. Don't come at me if that's not what they are. I don't know if I really understand the purpose of these though. When I play with it for a little bit, I might understand it a little bit more, but not now. Next, we actually have 3. These little like mesh balls with marbles in them. I remember this one girl had them in 2nd grade and everyone wanted them. So everyone thought she was like so cool because she had these. Oh! One fell behind the couch. Okay.
Excuse me, good madam.
Okay. There's a blue one, yellow one, dogs, and a pink one. Next we have an infinity cube. A girl in my class had it this year. I really wanted one, but I didn't know what they were called or how to get it. And it was Galaxy. I really like the patterns on these. This one though. Probably gonna be playing with this all day. Next, I don't know what these are called. Stretchy things. Go get that. Next, oh, okay. We have a square
poppet?
pop. Yes, a square poppet. I just missed it.
Do pattern with those.
Shit. This is editing me. I'm totally unaware that I just missed a blue column. I am so stupid. Okay, well that's that. We have another one of these ring thingies. We only have a few more things. I saw this and it reminded me of a stop sign. Stop! No. Oh my god, I'm just looking at this. I totally missed a column. Got it. Okay, but I like me some. Okay, next I'm pretty sure this is called a DNA ball. And yeah, the only two things are replicas, this ring thingy and this stretchy thingamaboboo. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, that's amazing. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the content. And if you didn't, I am sorry. But yeah, I'm also taking the weekends off, most of the time. I might have some videos scheduled to post.
Robert.
And I might not. Okay. Bye, guys.